Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to paper trade options on Robinhood. Before you start, remember that Robinhood does not currently offer an official paper trading feature for options. However, you can still practice without risking real money. Open the Robinhood app or log in on the website. Go to the search tab and enter the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to practice on. Select the stock, tap trade, then choose options. Next, pick the expiration date based on your strategy. You'll see a list of call and put options with different strike prices. Choose the strike price you would normally trade. Instead of placing an order, tap the option contract and select Add to Watch List. Once it's in your watch list, you can track its price movement in real time. You'll be able to see price changes, profit or loss, and percentage movement as the stock moves just like a real trade. Repeat this process with different contracts and strategies. By monitoring them in your watch list, you're effectively paper trading options on Robinhood and gaining experience without financial risk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.